Hey, this is a brief video about a loan calculator that we use. It's helpful if you're doing any creative deals or owner finance deals to have something you can plug stuff into. I like this one because it's simple. It's calculator.net. I'm not endorsing this or I don't get any kickbacks or anything. It's just one that I use. It's easy. Um, when you're doing owner finance deals, you just throw in the loan amount here, the term. If this was an owner finance deal and you're financing 5K, for 3 years at 10% interest, then it'll give you your payment for the principal and interest, the total payments, the total interest you'll make. And another cool thing about this is you can grab an amortization table. When we do owner finance deals, we provide our buyers with a amortization table so they can see where they're at in the payment plan. You can, see your principal and interest and how much interest you're paying, your principal balance that's remaining. And yeah, pretty simple, but really helpful. Um, and it's free. So recommend using this or something like it when you're calculating your owner finance payments.